consigue el perfecto móvil.
And in the future, we're not just talking about vehicles. En el futuro no solo hablamos de vehículos.
No, we're talking about robots too. You guys can check
Who's robots?
¿Te gustan los robots?
Yeah.
We're talking about the human support robot. This is for people with disabilities, and this little guy is going to help them achieve everyday tasks. Este robot de soporte humano ayuda a la gente con disabilidades a hacer sus tareas diarias.
It can pick things up from the floor, from shelves, it can even open and close the doors for you. Puede recoger cosas del piso, de estantes, hasta puede abrir.